Oh shit. Benito fucking fucked this truck up trying to get me.
I raced the homies, so now I gotta get towed by Manny Toes. What up, guys? I'm gonna record a little video real quick. One of my homies, he has a little towing business that he does, so I guess he bought these new like low car friendly ramps that he wants to try out, so he wants to put my truck on it. I'm like, fuck it. So we're just probably gonna pull up somewhere, take pictures and shit, and then maybe do a little cruise. I'm gonna just record what happens in case we get into some little races or some shit. Probably gonna cruise it. But I'm about to make the far ass drive to my homie's house real quick. The far drive to his house real quick. Go. I'm barely leaving my house right now. About to do the little drive, a little far drive. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Look at these fools. Well, I wonder how they should look at night though. The quality. Damn, man, these big ass Santa Claus, bro. I remember that shit from last year, bro.
I'm gonna do a different one this year.
The Manny Toes right here. A dually. Oh, man, these is bright as fuck. I see him pulling up, bro. Everything lights up.
It's like the future
It's homie Serato right here. The same homies from the first video I made.
I thought it was today. That was yesterday.
The famous Manny Toes. So that's the homie's little business right there. You're putting in work with the toes and shit. Bought the little diesel. The big boy diesel. Look at him.
RDMS.
I'm just gonna pull up real quick. I get some 85. I love the color of this truck, man. It's nice. There's Juanito Pacas pulling up right here, bro. Look at this fool. Only lift the truck on Bogarts, bro. No, man. He watched it. This fool. This fool lifted his truck and forgot about us. He hasn't kicked it with us since, bro. Oh shit! If he was in a little chair like mine, it would have smacked the bumper, bro. They turned. Oh.
CDL certified.
I already know what's up, bro. There's a little water tower. We live nearby. We got like a pretty cool little spot to take pictures. So I think we're just gonna go there. This is a spot, man. Look at that shit. Fucking. It like just skips a gear because it's spinning. Even though I have fucking traction off. I don't know why I did that.
Shit fucking leaps. When you hit from a 40?
Well, that one like that, dude.
Oh shit. Rip to the F150, bruh.
These are low pro ramps right here. Low guys friendly right here. It's good, it won't scrape. That shit's already cleared it. Nah, it's already even, no?
Alright, turn straight.
I had the homie drive so I could keep recording. I think this shit good. Dang, why does it seem so narrow? That's crazy. Pull the back wheel off on a scrape?
Huh?
The back wheel won't scrape?
Oh, like that's good.
Oh, you don't have to put it in my fork?
You can put a little bit forward, a little bit more.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah, just a little bit.
It's just for the pictures, not like you want to drive around. There, no?
Like that.
There you go, like that, fool. He said, don't open the door yet, hold on. Bro, this shit was nerve-wracking, fool. Nerve-wracking.
Nah.
No way he's not gonna open it. How he gonna get out?
Yeah.
Hop out the window.
It's because Junior's too heavy.
Because on the other side is hella closed. The back wheel. The back wheel. No way it doesn't open, bro.
Nah, don't open it. You're gonna hit.
Oh, shit. Wait, this is trapped. This food trap, bro. You gonna hop out the window? If you want, fuck it, I don't care. You're gonna have to hop back in though. My fat is not gonna fit through there, fool. No way, bro. Fool, you should have kept your shoes on. All we're doing for the promo, fool.
Hey, look at this shit. It's white as fuck.
Bro, you probably towed white trucks though. There's no way.
Nah, fool, this shit's white.
Bro, I cannot do towing, bro. That shit was nerve-wracking for me, bro. Man, you doing this shit daily? Fuck that, bro. Fuck. All we did for the pictures, bro. The water towel. Yeah, he did. I heard it. Oh. He scared the fuck out of me, bro. Wait.
I just always take my time.
Bro?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not in the rush.
When I gotta knock on wood, I'm over here acting like my truck broke down. I'm scared now.
The hardest part is loading and then unloading. I feel like it's always easier.
But that shit was nerve-wracking. Imagine me driving to hell and I would have smacked something. Here, bro. Look.
You don't have that one shit that you use
On my app, I had to take. Oh.
Well, it's because Junior's like.
Nah, we could. The other one's down though, no? Is the other window not down all the way? Oh, this is not even down all the way. I thought it was.
No, you can put your hands with it. Nah, look at that shit hard.
This side might clear. Look. Damn, this side clears. Look.
It's the same as
No, it's not. Look.
It's the same as the side.
No, it's not. Fool, this shit got way more space. Look.
I don't hit it out.
It won't, huh?
Pretty clear.
I was straight there.
Charge on this.
Nah, hold on. We're going through here. Over here, I don't know who that is. Manny about to have to tow me home, bro. I'm not about to get stay ref now. It's a sheriff though, huh? Sheriff's always cool, fool.
Yeah, lucky right here.
Lucky they pulled that forward for nothing.
Now, I wouldn't know what he did. He pulled around the corner, yeah. Yeah, he's straight. Record the race rounds, Manny.
Oh, you good?
Yeah, just go straight. Then Manny get his race rounds clipped. Ooh, my lip is all fucked up, bro. Look how much more it sags on the other side, huh? Where it smacks.
That's where it hits, huh?
I just noticed that. Well, I tried to put it up last time by hitting that shit up and it wouldn't stay.
Oh shit! It's already out.
Sounds like I'm fucking supercharged, huh? Put manual
It's in third right now.
downshift
Have you
again?
ever felt your truck in passenger?
Yeah, but when it was on the 22s.
Put it in second?
Yeah. What are you in right now?
4.
Drop to second. Drop again. You tap on the gas a little bit because sometimes it doesn't fully downshift. There you go. Now it should be in second, I think. What's that? There you go. Alright, just punch it.
Shift it on the right?
Nah, just go.
Ready?
Here, go.
I feel like I went like doing this shit there.
Bro, that shit don't feel fast to me, bro. I thought it don't feel fast in the passenger side. In the dig, I feel like it hits harder. wide turn. Fuck.
So how do I
Just do it, but don't trip out if you feel it dragging. I'm saying, just turn that shit. Fuck it. See that?
Those are rivet.
You'll go up to like 2,000. Go. Bro, this shit that's for faster passenger side.
That's all.
Hell yeah.
That's all I'm saying. Have you ever felt that shit like that? That shit for sure hits harder like that. Bro, that shit feels
Bro, the fucking tune changed this shit crazy, bro. Like every shift, that shit, you feel it
Like
jump forward.
drastic, oh, dude.
Hell yeah.
Did that time feel faster, right?
Yeah, dude. Ooh,
You
it
gotta
fucking
go in
pushed
like
a little.
this. First shit, like, whoa. You gotta go on like this, like.
Ooh, that first shift, it knocked my shit out the cubby, bro. My little bag.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I gotta ride along in my own truck, bro.
That shit feels crazy.
Bro, imagine this shit whipples, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Imagine with the whip on.
Imagine how my dad's
All your
feel.
mods in the whip on. Imagine those shits that are from midnight, bro.
I know, bro. The twin turbo.
It looks. I'm gonna have to show you how to drive with gears on that shit, bro.
Fuck no, bro. I gotta end the vlog right here. See if the homie, he gave me a ride along in my own truck. Cause well, he has the Silverado. He's driven in my truck, obviously. Like last time I gave him a ride, not too long ago, but he's never driven it himself. So I'm like, fuck it, drive it yourself. I was low-key sketched out because cops kept passing by. We're parked up right here, but yeah, he drove it right now. He did a dig and then he did a 40 roll. He says that shit feels fast, and it's just for bolts on, man. I can't imagine Whipple. That's why now that my dad hit the 500 miles in this truck, I want to drive it, see how it feels like the Whipple. Right here, let me just see how badass of a tow guy right here, Manny Toes is right here. Let's see how he backs this shit up. Oh, Manny Toes. Way, Manny Toes is a G, bro. I would have smacked some shit. Clean this shit right out here. Look at this shit. Oh my god, I love that truck. Fast car right here. He pulled out slowly. I'm about to just end the video right here. It was just like a little, it was just random. Like I said, my homie, he does tows, so he wanted to take videos of my truck on his trailer basically, and then he bought those race ramps, so they're for like low cars and stuff. So he bought them to try to, he wanted to see how good they were, and they, I mean, they're good. It had a bunch of clearance, and my truck usually scrapes everywhere in the front, and it had a bunch of clearance. It was pretty decent. We all live nearby each other, so we're like, fuck it, let's just all pull up. And then I just let my other homie drive my truck because he has a Silverado. He's full bolt-ons, 5.3. And I'm like, fuck it, drive my truck. So I'm giving him a ride before my truck, obviously, but he's never driven it himself. And I always sound like, bro, you could drive it. And I'm like, fuck it, you drive it. And he says that it feels fast as fuck. I think I got used to my truck already. I don't really, like, I feel it fast, obviously, but I don't feel like that. Like, it's just full bolt-ons. Catalyst, white pipe, GT manifold, and rammer intake. So I can even imagine what like a Whipple truck feels like, with those twin turbo fucking midnight trucks feel like. That shit probably feels insane, dude. Like, that's on my dad's truck. I mean, it's just stage 1 Whipple, but I want to feel that one. Like, I've driven it, I stepped on a little bit, but not crazy, because it was before like the braking miles or something to put on it. So now that he hit the 500 miles, I'm gonna see when he tosses me the keys and lets me whip that shit, so I can feel the difference between the Whipple. Because obviously my goal to Whipple my truck, or my brother's just a twin turbo this shit, or Pro Charge. I low-key like how the Pro Charge sounds, but my brother told me that you should just twin turbo it since my dad already bought a Whipple one. I mean, obviously I'd love to do that, but fuck, dude, twin turbo, you spend like what, 10, not more, like 12, $14,000 on the kit. Then you gotta buy a good trans rating. Like, I'm gonna clickbait this video. F150 broken down. I posted that shit on my Instagram. I was like, oh, my homie's page is Manny Toes. So I was like, Manny Toes to the rescue with my truck on the trailer, and I have people sliding up thinking that my truck is broken down. It's funny. I'm gonna end the video right here. So like I said, I'm gonna be posting at least once a week or maybe more. I've low-key recorded already like I have 2 videos to post. This one and another one that I recorded at our shop. So I'm gonna see if I post another video this week maybe. So I'm gonna try to post at least 2 maybe. It depends how much videos I can record, but yeah, I'll catch you guys.